Mrs. Rotimi
Okay.
Olajumoke. So I'm the senior technologist there.
Okay.
And in the department, we have a software lab.
All right.
We equally have a networking and hardware laboratory.
Okay.
But presently, I'm in a hardware and networking lab.
Okay.
So, and there we equally have a cybersecurity, lab as well.
Okay.
Where the students normally carry out their practical-oriented courses. In computing, there are a lot of, courses that are embedded in it.
Okay.
We have data science, we have hardware-related courses there. We have hardware, Arduino, Uno, projects.
Yes.
Even for beginners,
All
where
right.
they can start, whereby we're using the sensors, different types of sensor microcontroller to build device.
All right.
It's coupled with programming, linking them with programs, especially when we make use of the C++.
Okay.
Then in networking as well. So there we teach them on how, to network an environment, especially all the IT students, when they go out for their sideways or for their IT training. So wherever they find themselves, maybe in an organization, they should be able to prove what they have learned in the school, as in terms of networking.
All right. So when what kind of specification of laptop does a computer science student who is coming to Elizade University need? Kind of laptop
there is one thing we call specification when it comes to choosing, a laptop.
Okay.
Like what is happening now globally.
Yes.
You can't just limit your systems in all this old cargo something. You need a sophisticated one.
Yes.
So that go far beyond the 64 megabyte or 250 megabyte.
Okay.
We're talking about terabytes that have much storage capacity.
All right.
So when we talk about Core i5, i3, and so on and so forth.
Okay, from Core i5 above. Okay, those ones are okay for students.
Like take for example now, in 100 level students, they are still in elementary stage.
Yes.
So I think our departmental course they normally offer this CSE 101, 102, like that. So, but when they get to 200 level, it is then that they will go into the practical aspect of it properly. It's not that they will not do practical in 100 level, but it's more or less elementary stage. But when they get to that 200 level, it is then that we're going to introduce to the hardware aspect of it. Then when we talk about Arduino projects, a lot of projects that they can work on, they can lay their hands on, they can learn Python, C++, Java. There. One thing I usually tell my students, do not limit your research in class alone. Go extra mile. Don't even wait till the time you said you get to school, because in tech now there are a lot of things that you can use to develop yourself that you can learn. So do not limit the scope of your learning in class alone. Go extra mile, do some research. That's why we have laboratory there. So go into the lab. A lot of research. There is internet facility there that you can you can lay your hands on.